Hello, I'm Dr. DaCosta. I'm the program director for St. Michael's Medical Center, New York Medical College. Welcome to our website. I'm excited to tell you about our program. Super interested in hopefully you considering us, not only while you're browsing through the website, but applying to our program, hopefully getting accepted to our program, potentially even staying on as attending and spending the rest of your career at St. Michael's like I have. We have an amazing residency with amazing fellowships. If you're interested in a fellowship, I highly recommend you go to a program that has residency, because we usually, and most programs usually, will take fellows from their own program. And I think if you're interested in cardiology, GI, hematology, oncology, infectious disease, pulmonary critical care, we may be the place for you. We are a very academic institution, so you're going to learn a lot. Our board pass rate is in the high 90s. We have tremendous number of conferences, grand rounds, morning report, near miss conferences, good catch conferences, journal clubs, QI, research, board lecture series, the list goes on. So you will have a tremendous amount of academics, and we promise that you will be very well prepared to take care of your patients from an academic standpoint as well as from a patient care standpoint. Our research, if you're interested in research, we are well published in all of the different subspecialties, incredible research department. Each of the subspecialties does their own research, but we also combine the research. All of our residents are actively involved in research projects, and in fact we had 4 of our abstracts that were accepted at the national ACP meeting, and that was out of 100 abstracts, so congratulations to our residents. I'd like to also tell you a little about myself. St. Michael's has really been a lifelong journey for me. It started actually with my dad in 1960. St. Mike's been around a long time. Our residency program's been around a long time, and since 1960, my dad did his residency here. He met my mom here. He did his fellowship here in gastroenterology. I was born here. I did my residency and fellowship here in the late 80s, early 90s. And my son did his residency here, and my daughter just started her residency here, and my son has continued on in a GI fellowship. So our family is very engaged in St. Michael's, and we think of all of our residents as part of the St. Mike's family, and we would love for you to be part of our St. Michael's family. So think about joining us. As far as ways to prevent burnout, I believe our program has one of the lowest burnout rates in all of this country. The literature says 50 to 90% of residents get burnt out. Our statistics are much less than that. We have grand rounds on preventing burnout and how to avoid it, and we have tremendous number of activities and a wellness committee. And so we're going to have you engaged in things you enjoy doing. We'll have soccer and tennis and table tennis and rock climbing and video gaming and holiday parties and award ceremonies and welcome parties. And we'll keep a close eye on you so that while you're getting a great education and taking great care of your patients, we'll also make sure that you're happy. No better way to learn than to enjoy what you're doing. The most important part for me for choosing a resident is someone who is interested in the mission of our program. And the mission of St. Michael's is to take care of our population. We have an underserved population, and healthcare disparities are very prominent in this country, and it's something that we focus on trying to correct. We are interested in residents who want to help our community, who see the joy in helping our community, who see the benefits of helping our community, and may even potentially, when they're done with their training, stay and continue in their practice in our community. That's ultimately the goal of our program. So if you're interested in where we are in Newark, New Jersey, and taking care of an urban population, that needs good physicians, come join us. I can promise you, if you choose us and you end up coming here, you will in the end say, my gosh, I'm really lucky I chose St. Michael's. So best wishes, and I hope to see you at the interview and eventually at St. Michael's. Thank you.